Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today we have a message that came from an HR assistant, and he was asking if we could help him with their problem regarding this particular number that has a prefix of 81. Those numbers that start with 81. So I told him that I'm going to check, and to check that you will need to open the web interface of the Yeastar S100 PBX. Under the PBX call control, there is the outbound routes page, and from there you will be able to see all of the dial patterns that have been assigned to different trunk lengths. If we pick a certain dial pattern, for example 75 followed by a dot and 76 followed by a dot, this means that the PBX can call any number starting from 75 and 76, and the dot character means any number that follows the 75 and 76. For example, you can dial 7532114. If you omit the dot character, for example, you added 75 without the dot at the end, then it will only find a number that matches that exactly. For example, 75. That will result into an error or a failure to call that phone number, because in reality there are no phone number that is comprised only of 2 digits. We can also use a dial pattern using the letter X. The number of X represents the number of the phone number. So a single X can represent any number from 0 to 9. So if you have, how many is this? 2, 4, 6, 7, 7X. That means that this particular trunk line can call any numbers that has 7 digits. For example, I can call 3230001. The X characters are more suitable for telephone landline trunks. It's because the numbers for landlines do not usually start with 7 or 8 in Papua New Guinea. In Papua New Guinea, the numbers that starts with 81 and 82 are usually Vodafone telco. So I'm going to assign that to this B Mobile telco, and I have one trunk for that. I may not want to assign calling a Vodafone number from Digicel, so I'm going to use the B Mobile for that. But before we add that dial pattern, that number that starts with 81, let's go ahead and dial that number from my extension number to see if the call can go through the PBX. The busy tone happened because the Yeastar S100 has no matching outbound route set yet. So we're going to add the prefix into this dial pattern. What we're going to do is we're going to click this pencil icon in here. This is the edit mode, and let's go ahead and go to the outbound routes form. Now we can click this plus button in here, and then we can now add our dial pattern. I'm going to put 81, but let's go ahead and edit the prefix number before it. So I'm going to change the previous one with 81 and the current one with 82 dot character. The numbers in here do not necessarily need to be in a ascending order. It can be in any order, but my preference is to just assign them in ascending order for neatness. After that, we can now click the save button to save our changes. do not click the apply button yet. You will also need to change the one that has a pin. So there are actually two options for a particular trunk. One has with a pin number and the other has no pin number. In the first form that we have set the prefix in, it was the B mobile without a pin, meaning if someone calls from their extension phone and they dialed a B mobile number or Vodafone number, then the phone will not require them to enter a PIN, whereas the other one with PIN means that the phone will require you to enter a PIN before you can call an outside number. Let's go ahead and edit the trunk for B mobile that requires PIN, and like the other form, we will also add the dial pattern 81 dot. And let's go ahead and arrange the order again. After that, we just click the save button, and now we can click the apply button. So our changes will apply to all the phones that are connected to this PBX. Now, using my extension phone, we're going to try and call any number that starts with 81, and we're going to use the C# program that I created to monitor the trunk lines for any outgoing calls. You need to answer it. Okay, answer it. I'll talk to you.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
You can hear me.
Can.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye. As you can see now, after we have added the dial patterns to both the B mobile without PIN and B mobile with PIN outgoing route, we were able to call numbers that starts with 81, and we were able to talk to the person at the other end of the line. After that, I replied to the HR assistant telling them that they can now try and call the numbers that actually it was an applicant's number that they were trying to call, and see if they can get through the PBX. To which he replied that it was okay. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.